All right, so I've been watching a ton of videos online on YouTube of people being stopped by the police. I'm not exactly a criminal attorney, so if I say something wrong, I want people to comment on it. But I do know some pretty basic things. I mean, I took all the criminal courses. I've done some cases in court that are all criminal in nature. But one of the things that people always ask, and part of my French, is can you tell a policeman to fuck off? I mean, can you tell him to just, get the fuck out of here? Whatever you want to say, sorry, but, that's the question that people have. The First Amendment is very, very powerful. In the court's reasoning, there's a case that I remember reading. Like I said, if you want to cite the case, give it to me. I'll put it in the video. And there are lots of them. I went online and I read about a whole bunch of these cases. What they say is that the First Amendment does protect you from saying that. I mean, he is a public official. You can do it. You can flip him off. That's a case. A guy won $5,000 for being pulled over by a police officer and being detained for flipping him off. He actually won $5,000 from the city for doing that. I don't recommend doing it. I like the police. I mean, police will never be your friends, but they serve an important social function. I'm just here to let you know that your constitutional rights are protected by, freedom of expression and freedom of speech. So you can do that. Just, don't be screaming it. Don't be loud, disorderly, because you could be violating some other laws then. Also, part of the rationale is, people don't like police officers. A lot of people don't like cops. So they have to be more callous than the average person. If you were to walk around to maybe a 90-year-old woman on the street and you just start yelling profanities at her, going crazy, which happens every other day in New York, but, most places it violates the sense of human decency. And there's some other laws that they can hit you with. But a police officer, people don't like. Police know that they get talked badly to their face, behind their back, all sorts of things. So the courts have kind of held that, they should know that people will say that to them. And therefore, you shouldn't be arrested for it. So there you go. Those are my 2 cents.